Ooh. 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 Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today it's all about curls, and curls. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I made this wig and it's a 4x4 closure wig out of 3 bundles of 18 inches and 16-inch closure. The closure is very short, you guys. It's really short. If you guys can see, this is where the closure ends. This is where the closure ends. This is the bundles, like literally, like this is like 3 bundles and this is like all closure. The short part is just the closure. It's just the closure. Sni Mhlongo did also a video on curly routine, curly hair maintenance, or curly hair routine, or something like that. But what I'll do is I'll insert her link to that video down below in the description box so that you guys can just have a look at the video on how she had the same situation where the closure was pretty much shorter than, way shorter. I think she had like 26-inch bundles with a 20-inch closure, but it was very short. I had to trim down her bundles in order to kind of style the whole wig. It's far different on how I'm going to do it because she used 2 bundles of hair, I used 3. So this is very full, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to trim it in a different way, only because I would rather than just trim more of the closure and then keep the bundles in the same length. Because let me just show you quickly, it does not look well put together. Like this is how it is. But now look, this is where the closure is. This is the way the closure is. This is on my bundle. It doesn't look nice. It looks like I've been playing in the wind too much, way too much. I'm going to install it using my got to be glue. I'm gonna be using my got to be glue, which is almost finished. So this is a 4x4, like I said. It is 16 inches and this is 18 inches of bundles. Short but beautiful. This is quite short compared to your straight hair, because you know straight hair you would have a little bit of length. But I am going to start working on this. You guys are just gonna watch me, and I'll also insert towards the end of the video. What I'll do is I'll give you more specs on how I maintain my curls, the products that I use, because not everyone is into using products. We all differ. But if you're one person like me who is product obsessed, then this might be your best video so far in terms of curly hair. I'm going to then start styling this hair, and I'll talk to you guys later on in the video.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave. or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the stars in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the stars in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the stars in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
The results, I'm so happy with the results, and I can't really pick it up from here where the closure ends, and that's what I wanted to actually achieve, because it kind of gave in the two-part layer, which I'm not a fan of. So how it looks right now, geez, ooh mommy, I got it right. Like I did mention in the beginning of this video, that I was going to just give you guys a run through on a maintenance routine that I follow when it comes to curls. So these products are from OGX, and the name of the range is Coconut Curls, which you can find at Discam and Clicks. Now with Clicks, I have not seen a full range meaning shampoo, conditioner, and the oil. The oil I've seen on its own, but I haven't seen together with the other products. So I think it varies from store to store, but you can check it out online if it's possible to get them, if you want to go in and get a full range. But otherwise, the full range is basically the conditioner, the shampoo, and a curl styling milk, which is my ultimate fan. Look at this. I know some people don't use products. Some people say, okay, products on curls weighs down the hair, but on my part, I haven't really felt that, especially when it comes to OGX products and also L'Oreal products as well. I would just like to say, use less of them in order to make sure to be on the safe side if you are new into trying out products on your hair. So what I normally do when it comes to washing my hair, I use shampoo once a month, and then for the next 3 weeks it's basically just conditioner. It's my co-wash. So the co-wash happens once a week, where I would then just wash my hair with conditioner only, and then after, just from towel drying the hair, that's when I apply the curl styling milk and a little bit of oil as well, just to make sure the hair dries up soft and smooth. So after that, that's when I will then continue. If there's any changes or I feel that I want the wet look, that's when I will go in with my spray bottle, which just has water, nothing else in it, plain water sprayed, because there is product in the hair already. There's no need for me to then reapply the product. So the reason why I like both of them, the oil and the styling milk, is because it lasts longer. So I would have it basically stays in my hair until my next wash, so I don't have to now and again come in and apply and then all of that. So on my part, this is my curl routine that I enjoy, that I feel it has kept some of my curly wigs going for some time. There is also another product that I have shown in my other revamp video. Marc Anthony, I used to use back before I came across OGX, before I saw the curl range from OGX. I do also recommend it. So if you are more into a lemony smell or a lemon scent, I would say Marc Anthony will be your best friend. But on my part, because I like them both, but my fave, my number one, it's definitely this one. It is 100%. It has kept me happy for quite some time. So if you'd like to give it a try, you can shop around between the Scam and Clicks. I enjoy the products. The hair is still a bit wet, but it's very soft. Like, it is soft. See what I mean? See what I did a good job. Yes, I did a good job. So much for coming and watching another video from yours truly. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell. And take care. Have a beautiful weekend ahead, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Love you.